Good morning, students. I, Mrs. Vaishali Ajit Murumkar, welcomes you in today's online lecture of Organization of Commerce and Management of Standard 11. Our college had started today online lectures of 11 standards of all faculties. It is one of the steps to fight against occurrence of coronavirus pandemic in the whole world. Whole world is suffering from disease of coronavirus and its all bad impact on economic and social life. Now it is a time of not to keep threat about this disease but to start our routine life with it. Of course, proper care like constant hand wash, use of mask and social distancing should be followed. Considering all this impact, our college has started online lectures for 11 standard students so that in a safe way all students will get proper education. Through these online lectures, we are now able to connect with each other thanks to advanced technology. Dear students, to keep yourself safe now, by staying at home only, you should attend college. I know all of you are very much excited about how our college is. You want to know about the college. Our college was established in the year 1962 by Anekant Education Society of Baramati. In today's lecture, I, Mrs. Vaishali Ajit Murumkar, going to introduce Tuldaram Chaturchand College of Arts, Science and Commerce of Baramati virtually. Welcome again. Let me first introduce our active and dynamic principal, Professor Dr. Chandrasekhar Murumkar sir. Under his strong support and guidance, we are conducting all academic and extracurricular activities. He always encourages innovative ideas about education, sports, literature, music, and so many. He got Best Principal Award from Savitribai Phule University. Now you can see this is our administrative office building. All the work administrative related to student, staff, college is conducted here. For example, issuing of I-card, bona fide certificate, then LC, then mark sheet, etc. In this building, our college principal's cabin is there. Then the vice principal of senior college and office of our college registrar is also there. So this is our Prashasan Bhavan. Now the next is library. This is our big library, the real treasure of our college. In this library, more than lakhs of books related to different subjects are available to students. Separate reading hall are there for boys and girls. Students can study in this reading hall without any disturbance. So all the students are enjoying this facility very much. Then this is our Jivraj Auditorium. All the extracurricular activities, functions, seminars are conducted in this Jivraj Sabhagriha. At a time, 500 to 600 students can enjoy the program which are conducted here. All the seminars, then gatherings, then speech of expert people are conducted here. Then our college is having advanced gymnasium and spacious playground. All the sports students are doing their practice on this playground. Many sports students represented our college at district, state, national and international level in various competition. Now, this is the most important building for you and me. This is our junior college. Means all the classes of 11th and 10th standards are conducted in this junior college building. The building has 26 well-equipped spacious classroom with proper arrangement of boards, projectors and benches. In this building only, the office of our vice principal, then coordinator is there. Now, who is our vice principal? Let me introduce with our vice principal, the middle one, Professor Vaishali Madi. She is a science teacher and under his guidance and instruction, all the junior college activities are going on successfully. To the left hand side, you can see our coordinator of Arts and Commerce, Professor R.K. Agaune sir. If you have any difficulty or doubt, you can directly communicate with him. His subject is Marathi. To the right hand side, you can see Professor G.T. More sir, coordinator of science faculty. He is handling all the subject matters related to science students. Now, about the teachers. I know you are very much anxious about knowing the teachers. You can see to the left hand side, Mrs. R.A. Patil. She teach accounts and economics. Okay. To the right hand side, Mrs. A.N. Kakade madam is there. She teach accounts and SP. And middle one is myself, Mrs. Vaishali Murumkar. I teach account, OC and SP also. So students, I am really very happy that you have chosen the commerce faculty. This faculty is having a bright future and very much career opportunities are available. Yes, of course, everyone at the beginning they want to do the CA, but CA is the not only one opportunity in a commerce faculty. There are so many career opportunities are available in our commerce faculty. Which are these opportunity available to students? And especially through the subject of organization of commerce and management, which I am going to teach you for the whole year. That point we will discuss in our next lecture. Till then, take care, be happy, and goodbye. Thank you, students.